Welcome back, trackies. If you were living under a rock and you don't know what's going on, well, guess what? That's why I'm here. I'm here to tell you the latest in track and field news. And big news coming out of the United States is that yes, America has swept the men's 100 meters and they swept it on home turf, showing that yes, they were the best and they cleaned up all the medals: gold, silver, and bronze. Fred Curley taking the win in 9.86 seconds. Marvin Bracey second in 9.88 seconds, and Trayvon Bromell third in 9.88 seconds. It was a very close race, guys. They fought tooth and nail for it, and Fred Curley came out on top. Oblique Seville just missed out on a medal, finishing fourth in 9.97 seconds. And for us, we're a bit disappointed that he did not medal because we know his caliber. We knew he had it in him to medal, but he will get another chance. Right now, it's America's time to scream and shout on their rooftops that they have swept, because when we Jamaicans sweep, we don't let up. So they're gonna tell us all day, every day that they swept, and that's fine. They did absolutely great. I mean, they're on home turf. They felt all the pressure to go out and perform, and they performed. Oblique Seville, wow, what an amazing talent here we have here in Jamaica. I just think he needs more exposure to running against these world class athletes, because I know he's a world class athlete in of himself. So all he has to do is get the experience running against them day in, day out. Because when he turns up to the line next time, I know he will be ready. He will execute his best race and he will medal, if not win. No, from I'm looking at his race, he did not get the best start. And based on his running style, you're not going to run back from a bad start, right? So, all in all, bad start. His race was pretty much over from then, but he still managed fourth place. So, we really have to commend him on his performance. It was his first championship final. Just think about it. His first championship final, and he finished fourth. So for us, that's absolutely amazing, and we can see the progress happening with Oblique. Oblique went to the Olympics last year, and he finished outside of the finals in the semis. This year, he went to the World Championships, and he made it to the finals. And guess what? He said, listen, I'm one of the best. And he finished fourth. He is fourth best in the world. So we can only applaud him and congratulate him on his performance. We expect better from him next time around, but we're still happy that he finished the race healthy and he finished in fourth place. Now, running out the field, we have Akane Simbine in 10.01 seconds. We had Christian Coleman also in 10.01 seconds. Sonny Brown in 10.06 seconds, and Aaron Brown in 10.07 seconds. So that's how the race ended. Top 8 guys with America sweeping and taking 6th place. Also, as it relates to team points, America is getting all these people into the finals. That's a lot of points for them. But guess what? Jamaica is also getting some points for ourselves as well. Oblique got us major points for our team trophy. Hopefully, we'll be able to stand on that podium. Maybe not first, because America has all the manpower. Hopefully a second or a third. Let's see how that goes. But as it stands now, America, 1, 2, 3. All the bragging rights goes to them, and we can't be mad, because guess what? Tomorrow we'll be shoving it in America's face to say, okay, you called for a 1, 2, 3. This is what a 1, 2, 3 looks like. And guess what? We're gonna add icing on the top with a world record and say, have that. Anyway, trackies, sound off in the comment section below and let me know, what do you think about how the finals progressed? Was it already in the cards that it would end this way? Are you disappointed that Oblique did not medal? Let me know. Again, like the video and subscribe to our channel. I'm T. I'll catch you in the next one.